Guys, and welcome back to Chanda's Southern Kitchen. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how to make this delicious bean and sausage soup. This soup is very delicious and very comforting for this time of the year. I hope you enjoy as much as I did. Okay guys, and let's get started here. I'm just adding some olive oil to my pot. I have my pot on medium high. And here I'm getting ready to add my sausage into my pot, and I'm going to get this sauteed up for probably about 5 minutes or until it's brown. Keep cooking. And as you see, I'm just getting my sausage browned up. It's starting to get a little bit of color to it. You just want to cook it for a few more minutes. It's coming along, y'all. And as you can see, guys, you have got that caramel color all over each piece of sausage. Looks delicious. Now add your carrots in and saute for about 1 minute. And add your chopped bell pepper in, and we're going to saute that also for about 1 minute. And now it's time for your onions. We're going to get that sauteed up for about 1 minute also. This adds such in-depth flavor to your soup. Now it's time to add your chopped garlic. I hope you didn't think that we were going to make this soup without the garlic. We need the garlic because it gives it so much flavor. And here I'm adding in my salt and my black pepper. And you just want to get that stirred up in that mixture. And now it's time to add in your onion and garlic powder and your ground sage to this mixture and give it a stir. And now we're going to add in our flour, and this is going to help to thicken our soup base. And you want to just saute this around for about 1 or 2 minutes. And now it's time to add in our milk to our mixture. And you want to start stirring this milk up with the mixture to get that milk to warm up some in your soup. Starting to look really good, you guys, and smells scrumptious. And now it's time to add in that Worcestershire, or that W sauce. You know what I'm talking about. And continue to give this a stir. And your soup base is going to start thickening up as time goes on, so just stir it for a few more minutes. And as you can see, guys, it's already starting to thicken up and smells delicious. And I just let this cook for about another 5 minutes. And here, guys, I'm finishing my soup in my crock pot. I will leave the instructions to just cook it the regular way in the description box. And now you're going to add your cannellini beans and your red kidney beans to your soup mixture. And just get that mixed up into your soup mixture really well. And then I'm going to get my lid put on my crock pot, and I'm going to cook this mixture on high for about 1.5 hours. Okay guys, and my soup has been cooking in my crock pot for about 1.5 hours. As you can see, it's very bubbly and smells so delicious. I'm going to give that a stir, and we're going to get ready to eat. And y'all, I just paired this with some of my favorite cornbread. You serve it with grilled cheese, whatever the case may be. Have it your way. Thanks for joining me again, you guys. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. I would greatly appreciate it. Again, this is a delicious soup. I promise you would enjoy it, and let me know how you like it. Have a wonderful day.